In front of me is Poco X6, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll all the way down to access apps. Then click on Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and select the default apps. Following that, tap on one of those sections, in my case, Browser, and apply your new downloaded one by clicking on it. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!